Hello and welcome to this beginner's Photoshop tutorial, where we will explore Photoshop tools for the absolute beginner. Hi, I'm Ehsan. I will be guiding you through this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer all your questions. And if you find this tutorial useful and want to see more, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow, so we can bring you more amazing tutorials. Please note, this is the 6th part of the Photoshop tools tutorial. You can follow the links in the description to watch the previous parts first, if you haven't watched them yet. Okay, let's get started. Part 6. The Shape Tools. You can use any of the shape tools to draw vector type shapes in Photoshop. And because these are vector type shapes, you can scale them to any size without losing quality. Although, you can create different shapes with the different tools. These tools have very few differences in the way you can use them. Notice the available options in the tool options bar as I select the different tools. Some of the tools have a rounded corner option. The polygon tool allows you to choose how many sides the polygon can have. With the line tool, you can choose the thickness of the line. All these tools allow you to draw a shape, a path, or pixels. With any shape you choose, you will have a few options, including the fill and stroke colors. The stroke can also have a different thickness and style. You can enter the width and height of any shape manually if you need a particular size. And as we did in the previous tutorial, you can use the Path Operations menu to combine, subtract, intersect, exclude, and merge shapes. You can use the alignment options to align and distribute shapes horizontally or vertically. While drawing some shapes, if you hold the Shift key, you will constrain the width and height of the shape. For example, if you wanted to draw a perfect square, then select the Rectangle tool and hold Shift while you click and drag on the canvas. Similarly, select the Ellipse or Triangle tool and hold Shift while drawing to draw a perfect circle or equal-sided triangle. The Gradient tool. You can use the Gradient tool to fade from one color to another color in Photoshop. There are many ready to choose from gradients, as well as 5 different variations that you can apply to each one. In the tool options bar, you can choose linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond gradient to choose the style of the gradient. You can access all the gradient folders either from the Tool Options bar or from the color panel. And if you double-click on the gradient, you can access the gradient editor. You can change the colors of any gradient and add many different color variation points from start to end. As well as edit any existing gradient by changing any color to a different color. And also by changing the distance between the colors to have a different blending from one color to the next. If you choose this basic gradient, with a color at the start and a transparent color at the end, you can fade in the gradient to an image. If you hold the Shift key, you can draw the gradient in a straight line, either horizontally or vertically. You can have a play with the blending modes to discover what is most suitable for your needs. The opacity can change the density of your gradient. The reverse checkbox can invert the colors of your gradient and display them in the opposite direction. You should keep the dither box checked for a smoother color fading and the transparency box checked if you're fading from a color to a transparent background. You can be very creative with gradients, and the sky is the limit, with millions of colors and variations. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next tutorial.